how to make money on people per hour with animation services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can list your own skill in order to make people buy it, or where you can sell your own skill to the individuals or business owners, or you can sell your own projects as well. So for example, let's check some of these skills. Let's go for something like animation services, like our skill. So here, let's go with design. What do you have in here? Illustration and drawing, animation. So let's check animation. And here, these are the freelancers that we have in this skill. As you can see, we have a lot of freelancers in here with their own listed skills, as you can see, and the price of each skill. So in order for you to be just like one of these, I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. So what you will need to do is click on the freelancer button here in your top right, and then click on I want to work as a freelancer here. Click on sign up with email. Fill this information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here, I'm going to enter my email, my password. And then log in. You're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now and complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, you drop your profile picture in here, then you enter your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just go with animation services. And here you enter your skills. Maximum spots that you have is 15, so make sure to use that wisely. Let's start with animating or animation, 3D animation, basically anything that is related to animation. Here, animation, video animation, 2D animation, which stands for 2 dimensions, logo animation, whiteboard animation, and as I said, basically anything related to the animation services, character animation, animation director, animation design, animation. I think that's it. And then you proceed to describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to get inspiration for your description, because it's very important, it's where you convince the buyers to buy from you, not from the others. So what we need to do is we'll go back to the design here, and we will go to the animation section, open that in a new tab in order to not lose this one that we have here, and we're going to see our competitors, and we're going to check their description. looking for some inspiration. For example, this one, who is Amit P, logo reveal video. Let's check his description. And from the get-go, you will notice that this description is well organized. More than 80 years of experience in animation, one of few high-cert providers, quality guaranteed. We are a powerful company. We are a powerful company that deals with creating commercials, ads, and providing animation services to film industry. And this is his skills, I guess, and some other text. And this is a very good description. You can get inspiration from this one. Let's check another one to see what do we have in here. Let's check what one we're going to. Let's check this one. For example, create a professional whiteboard animated video in 1 day. Let's check this one. And this is a very good description. It is very short and it's well organized as well. Hey, I'm professional graphic designer, position freelancer in designing. I will create an amazing whiteboard animation. Why to choose me? This is a very good question to ask in the description. Skills having her skills, and you will get fastest response and a unique animation video. I always prefer client satisfaction. So you will be given 100% satisfaction and unlimited revisions until you make your mark done. So I liked this description more than the other one. I think this is a very good inspiration for our description. But let's check the third and the last description. Let's see, check someone's description who gets paid more. Like this one, for example, she gets paid $100. So let's check her description. What makes her so unique that she gets paid that much of money? So this is a very, very short description. We are a small UK-based company specialized in graphic designing, web development, and content writing. We specialize in designing logos, infographics, emails, flyers. So this is just their skills. This is a company, as you can see, based in the UK. So I think that's enough for inspiration. After all of that, you'll be able to create a description for yourself. Then you enter a location, language, and your hourly rate. Then you submit your application. After that, you will get approved. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.